Today I tried to open my virtual machine, and when I double click on it, I got this error. The virtual machine appears to be in use. To fix this problem, copy this file path and then open a File Explorer. Just cancel this error message. Paste the file path in File Explorer and press enter. You need to find the virtual machine currently you are using. To know that, drag the mouse to this virtual machine. You can able to see the file path. Windows 11 for making video is the one I'm using. Open the folder and you can able to see .lck folder created in the virtual machine. Right click on the folder and select delete option. And this is the main reason for this error message. Now you can just double click on the virtual machine and it started working as you can see. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.